Didn't Mr. Chivhayo did a post and mentioned, Guti, I've given a gift to Makandiwa, and he refused.
Mhuri yeZimbabwe ndaenda kubatira vhidhiyo raProfeti Emmanuel Makandiwa vachitaurira Sir Wicknell Chivhayo kuti hunzai henyu magifts nawo ndakutambira zvichiteera nyaya yakambotenderera yekunzi vakuramba magifts. Ndakusendera vhidhiyo inoteera mondoudzawo zvamunofunga mucomment section.
Didn't Mr. Chivhayo did a post and mentioned, Guti, I've given a gift to Makandiwa, and he refused. He had given me that a long time back. And he wasn't lying. But it was never me who came out and said, he gave to me and I refused. No. It's him who told the people. That
I sent my gift and it was not accepted.
It was him. What is strange is that people would have never known had he not told them. Yet they started what? Attacking him. Hey, Makandiwa knows something about that money. Makandiwa knows something about that man. I almost came out. I almost. And I can tell you the reason, because the reason you can attack me, I can go for years, quiet. But sometimes I look at people who consider me. If somebody sees me and he feels like blessing me or being a blessing to me, and he wishes me well, then you attack the person. Not against me. He's not trying to destroy me. It's somebody who's trying to support what I'm doing. And I'm justified.
I'm actually anointed to take.
If you actually
see somebody who can see, someone who can hold from me, you can't see anything. No. You have to actually see. Not just a giver, but a seer.
But a person is insulted, castigated, humiliated, as if he's begging, he's asking from me. He's not asking from me. He wants to give. I had actually communicated with him at the time. I said, I've received your gift. The Lord told him, but I'm not going to collect. I'm not going to take it. Because I've seen how many people have been giving. He has this communication from me. How many I've been watching. This has been an unusual character. Because the reason why I'm saying that is because I'm speaking against what I've heard people say. Because in my life I've seen thieves, but they don't do that after stealing. They eat alone. No one would have known that he has money. No one would have known.
You're actually relying on the information that he volunteers. He's giving you that with which to attack him.
Then I said, what I can do is meet you and pray for you, bless you, so that you are increased. You keep. I said, I know if I don't receive, there are people that can replace me. And this is what I said. I said, I have an advantage. I'm well placed and well blessed. I have a lot. That's what I said. But I know, looking at some of the people that you are giving, they need help. And me, by not receiving, it means it's more people that you're going to be what? Helping. That's what I say. And back then, that was the end of the conversation. Recently, it was now him talking about it. And when he said it, how can Makandiwa refuse? If the man is okay, if the guy is right. But we're the same people who are
being accused of
my partners,
being money hungry. We come here as our partners, we get $1. And then God raises another.
Toramba based on
And
principle.
we refuse based on principle. Now that person is a bad guy.
I'd never received a gift, I've told you, from even the government. Yeah.
Yes.
As soon
As soon as we're done speaking like this, I actually also want my own farm.